Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good morning, Knights. It's Wednesday, October 27th. I'm Alex.
And I'm Julie.
And I'm JoJo. Man, it's raining. Good job, Washington. This bulletin is on.
So Alex, how's your 2000s theme going? Solid. Tomorrow is costume day. Alternative colors will be the class colors. So freshmen wear white, sophomores wear yellow, juniors wear your blue, and seniors wear all colors plus your crowns and tutus. Show your spirit, Knights.
Seniors taking the SAT tomorrow. If you signed up, remember to get a good night's sleep and be ready to roll in the morning. See Mr. Swanson if you have any last-minute questions.
Freshmen, you've got one more test to go. The WCAS is tomorrow at 7:30. You'll report to first period, and then you'll be sent to your testing location after the tardy bell. You'll use your Chromebook, so please make sure you charge it tonight and bring your charging cord to school tomorrow. Again, this is for all freshmen in the morning.
You know, when you come home from school and you're thinking to yourself, man, I've got a test in the morning tomorrow. I got to prepare for this. So you're thinking to yourself, man, I should probably get a good night's sleep tonight.
Yeah.
So when you're feeling like that kind of way, what do you think your typical sleep schedule is on those kind of days?
Maybe like 11.
Really? Because I go to bed at 10:59.
Solid.
Well, you're going to want to get a good night's sleep before tests. Check out this cheer promo.
Hey guys! We're Bremerton Cheer and we are having a bed sheet fundraiser.
All sheets are the same price no matter the size or color.
And the best thing about these sheets, they are wrinkle resistant, highly breathable, ultra soft with 16-inch deep pockets and perfectly sized.
And if you don't want a whole sheet set, we have pillowcases and sheets sold separately.
We also take donations.
For more information, find a cheerleader. And as always,
Go Knights!
Cheer will be rallying the fans on Friday at the varsity football game. The game against PA will be senior night also. Seniors from football, cheer, sports med, drill team, and band will all be celebrated. Pre-game ceremonies will begin before the 6:30 kickoff. Let's fill the stands. Go Knights.
The Key Club is collecting sample-size hygiene products in coordination with Stand Up for Kids. The sample sizes are the type that are provided in hotels, and the products collected will be given out to students in need in our community. Donations may be dropped in boxes located in the main office, Welcome Center, and Room 232 from now until October 28th.
If you're interested in girls bowling, there will be an informational meeting today in the Commons after school. Find out when the season begins, when and where practices will take place, and how you can prepare for the upcoming season.
Black Student Union will be meeting today after school. The meeting takes place in Room 231, and all are welcome. If you have questions, see Mr. Shine in the counseling office. Dungeons & Dragons Club gathers in Portable 600 from 12:30 to 3:30, and Night Academy takes place in the library from 12:15 to 2 p.m.
Well, that's all we have for our show today, Knights. Have a great Wednesday. Freshmen, charge your Chromebooks tonight.
Go Knights.
Go Knights!